Myself Mohan from Target Software. Today in this video, I'm going to explain how to to receive a payments from the customer, how to enter the vouchers, what you received from the customer, payment receipts. So first, open the Target Software. In this receipt payment entry, there are two ways. One is you can do it from inventory part also. Other part is you can do it from accounting part also. So first I will show you how to take payment receipts in inventory part itself. First you have to go to options, there go to other miscellaneous functions, then in that first one itself, invoice or sales function, in that you will find that enter receipts for invoice. So enter it. There are two options in this also, view and select by bill number. View and select means, for example, if you enter the view and select, it will ask the date. It will show all outstanding, whole bills outstanding. In this, whichever the bill you want, you can you receive a payment, you can just enter on that bill and you can enter the post receipt voucher and type the payment over here. How fully, if you paid the full payment, you can enter it automatically, that amount will appear here. Otherwise, off payment here done means you can mention it as 1,000 rupees or 100 rupees, whatever it is. And if you had given a check, you can mention it as a check number. Check number you can type here. Otherwise, if you had given, you leave it blank and enter, just mention it as cash. If you want, you can select the collection bond name also. I meant to say representative name and all, you can mention here. This is one type method in the same this thing only, view and select. And one more is select by bill number. What will happen means, usually everyone will send the bills with their executives to get the outstanding payment collection. When he comes back, he will tell the bill numbers. Not usually what will happen, you people will be written on the book somewhere which are the bill numbers you are given to the executive or whatever you are by collection by. So he will keep on telling the bill number and amount, like that also you will make an entry. So that's this is the one procedure. So here I will take it as INV, for example, bill number 2. If your boys say that INV bill number 2, just enter. It will ask on which date you received the payment. You have to type that same date. I am taking the today's date itself. Then enter bill number. And if you enter immediately, it will show total 5,640 is the bill amount. Now you can ask him how much he paid. If he paid fully, you just enter and save it. If he is paid off, you can mention it as 2,000 rupees. Then enter. If he had given any check, type the check number. If you didn't give any check, leave it blank and enter. It will go to cash account. If it is a check, then enter. On the check date, what is the date is there, you type the date and his bank name. I mean to say that customer's bank name. If required, you can type like Canara Bank or whatever. Then enter. If required, if his batch number, branch, and his collection boy name, who's the collection did, that whatever the representative names you have in your list, that will appear here only. So this Canara Bank branch name and all, if you enter properly, what will happen, we have one more option called challan printing. Challan printing means, for example, whole day he will enter somewhere 50 checks. So when it requires to submit to the bank, you have to write the challan for each and every check, no? So instead of that, we have a format where you can print all the challan one shot. So it will print means the party name, check number, amount, party name, check number, amount, total overall, last in the total it will be there, along with that checklist, along with that challan printout. You can give all the checks along with that. So bank people, no need to type no need to write each and every challan books. That will help you. So this is for that purpose. These filters are mandatory. If you are using that option, you can fill all these details while entering the check details. So we'll come back to this one screen. So I am going to enter the date. If he is given a check, Canara Bank, okay, leave it. Canara Bank, if his branch, if required, enter the representative who had collected, you can mention, then save it. So this is the another way. That is it was two methods. One is view and select, another is select by bill number. Okay, so like this you can do the payment entry in inventory. So another part is you can take a payment receipt entry in accounting system. Go to accounting system, in the setup column. Here go to the enter voucher. So actually this procedure will follow the usual, all accountants will follow this kind of payment entries only. So you can do from here. In this concept, first you have to select the customer name here. So there you are selecting only the bill number, or select by bill number. Customer name also it will display if you select the bill number. Here what will happen, here must and should you have to select the customer name. So I will show it. So go to enter voucher. If I receive a payment from the customer, you have to put the receipt voucher only. So you don't get confused. Payment voucher is only for your supplier. If you are doing a payment to your company people, then you have to use the payment voucher. So now I am getting a payment from my customers. So it is receipt voucher. So now I am going to enter, and on what date, what date I received the payment, I will enter the date. And if customer had given check, you can do it. You can write check. If they've done any RTGS, like that, you can mention the RTGS number also here, whatever check number, and on the check what was the date, that also you can enter. And additional reference and all you can mention. There's something like some reference number, if you want you can mention over there. And here you can type the party, what are the, for your remembrance purpose, the boy who collected the check, and who gave the this thing, or anything like that. Or before depositing check, please inform to the customer, like that. If whatever the entry, if you require, you can enter for your particulars. So next part is, now first, as I told, first you have to select the customer name only, then only you can enter the payment. So now I'm selecting MK provision. I'm selecting the MK provision. So in this screen you can enter the bank details of that party, not your bank. He is checking, you are given a check now, so that's why. So now the total outstanding of MK provision is 58,860 rupees. It is showing at the bottom itself. Now I have received the payment of something like 15,000 rupees. So I am entering the 15,000. Once you enter the payment, the screen will appear. It will show which are the bills are balance pending from his side. So whichever the bill you want, you can adjust the amount to that particular bill. If you don't want to adjust to this bill, you can leave it, make it 0, and you can adjust to this, like that. So instead of doing this, I am going to adjust in the first bill itself. Make it 0 and clear the line. 0. Go ahead. I am adjusting this 15,000 to this particular bill number 1, and 54,000 rupees was the current balance. Totally it was 63,000. I done one payment entry in accounts now. So 8,943 was the total adjusted, and the closing balance is 54,092 rupees. Now I am adjusting the 15,000 also. Then enter. Save it. Now it will ask whether it is for, if we are given a check. So my bank is SBI, so I am putting it in SBI. If you are having another bank, you can put the another bank name. If there is no bank, your bank is not appearing here, means you, by pressing F3 itself, you can create your own bank. Like by pressing F3, it will go to the screen. Here you can create like HDFC Bank, and bank account, grouped under bank account. And if you want to enter your bank opening balance, what was the opening balance in April or whichever month you have started, like that, if you want, you can enter it and save it. So here it will display the HDFC also. Whichever the bank you want, you can deposit your check to that bank. So this is the accounting entry, how to take a receipt voucher. So I have saved this. Again the same, I am going to enter receipt voucher. Now they are given a cash. Now I am selecting other customer like ML means Krishna Provision Stores, Krishna Stores. They are given a cash, so I am leaving it blank. How much he is paying? Total is 39,201 is outstanding. Now I am getting 10,000 rupees pending a payment. Okay, enter. And for which bill you want to adjust, you can adjust it. Enter. Here you can mention your cash account. So entry has been done. Now if I want to see how it was reflected, you can check in your ledger accounts also. In ledger account, MK provision you can enter, it will show all the details. So initially total 69,808 is the total overall sales, and the payment you received is 25,943 rupees. It will give all this first one is there is a sales return like 8,943. Okay, so there was I have done a same sales return, so that 8,943 was less in this, and another was in the third line you can see 2,000 I have received the payment one time, and this fourth line you can see that 15,000 as now we entered the voucher, no, that is that one. So 2 vouchers has been posted. Total overall 25,943 is the payment I have collected. So my closing balance is 43,865. Here in the upside it will be showing that. So this is how you can cross check the balance also. Even in the billing also you can find this details. I'm going to invoice, prepare invoice in MK provision. Sorry, not here. MK provision. Here it will show your show his old transaction also. What was the total bill value and what is the current balance, and what is the number of how many days from OD means outstanding days, from how many days it is pending, that also it will show. So bill number, date, time, everything will get entered in this. So this is the 2 types of procedure I have shown you. How one is an inventory part and another one is accounting part. So in this 2 method you can do the receipt entries, one which you got a payment from your customers. So thanks for watching this video, and please do refer if any of your friends, colleagues or any of your customers required software for billing, or in whatever a business like distributors, supermarket, retailers, textile division, all kind of business in all over India, wherever you want, you can refer me. You just, if they are interested, share their number to me directly. You can see the number in my desktop in the corner. So once you send their number, I will contact them and final it, and we are going to pay the referral fee to you people. So thanks for watching my video, and in the YouTube you can find my channel by searching Target Mohan. So easily you will find my videos, and you please comment what are any additional requirement if you require, or there is my number, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me, I will revert to them. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.